Howdy, everybody. We are the Dining Philosophers, and this is the demo of our final version of the application to the Museum of American GI. Again, this application is going to be used by the administration and the visitors of the museum. So, on this video, I'm gonna do one demonstration on the visitor's perspective and another the administrator's perspective. So let's start. So I will start for the visitors. I'm the visitor, so and then I come into the museum and I'm prompted this screen here. So let's sign in. Just simulate one. Sign in. The only required field is the zip code here, as you can see. So let's just, for example, put a zip code from College Station, 845. And then, as you can see, it came up College Station. Next, let's see here, name. Neil, the email. Let's say I came alone. So next, DCN hotels. Let's keep it yes. How many nights? 3. How many times did you out? 5. Let's say. Read about those. A friend recommended. And other museums, let's just put none for now. Okay, and is it hard to find our location? That's no. Okay, submit. So at this point, the visitor has submitted the application, and now on the administrator's perspective, here we just have to change the URL to admin, and we're gonna be prompted with a sign-in screen. So let's start. So then I log in, and then I have access to all the information that the visitors have inputted so far. So let's consider here on this main screen we have the summer statistics from each general area that our customer decided that she was interested in. So let's say College Station, Austin, Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, other areas in Texas, other states, and international. So, and here also one functionality, we have this set to the date range of a year, but for example, we can increase the dates. For example, if I put only the people I registered, let's say from November 25th till today, the number of total readers should decrease. Let's see, as you can see, 20, for example. And then we also implemented charts to ease the work of the administration, taking the graphical visualization as well. We have included the date range feature. So let's see, this for a year. So we can see 35.3% are international, 32.4 from Bryan College Station, other states. So we have this graph that the administrator can have the graphical visualization. Then here we also have a line chart with the same information, with number of visitors by dates. So, and then the other functionality that we implement is the ability to download and or print the graphs, which you can see here. Say okay, and then the same thing for the other chart. This one here. Next, so this is the one type of graphs. We also have the Morris chart graphs, which we can see here. It's just another type of visualization, also giving the information in percentages. And then we also have a bar chart as well with the number of visitors per date. And again, we can also print or download this information, these graphs. Next, we have the visitors tables. This is the part that our the administration can view the raw data entered by the visitors. So they can sort by last name, by first name, the date that they signed in. For example, as the example a few minutes ago, we did Jose Mourinho. Here on this date, this is the email. This is all the information that we inputted. Also, additional to the questions that the survey that they responded, we can see here the information as we put. Did you stay in the hotel? Yes. How many nights? 3. How many times you out? 5. It was a friend recommendation and none for other museums, and it wasn't hard to find the museum. So the administrator is able to edit the information of the visitor and also delete the visitor if necessary in case of something's wrong. We also so the date range feature is also applied here. Let's just give an example. September, let's say October 10th. We'll submit, and we see that we have less people in the group on the showing up. We can also increment. We have showing 10 entries. We can show 25 if necessary. And then also we can select if the person wants to be contacted or not. So for example, we have here this on this column, some users don't want to be contacted by the museum. So if you want to filter that, we just select this box here, contactable, and we click submit. And we only going to show people that want to be contacted on this range, date range. Another feature is select in different area from geographical areas. So people from Austin, we only have one here. Let's say we can combine. You see Brian and Austin and College Station. So we have Austin here, College Station. Then of course select all, which is just going to show all of them. Next, we also another thing is we can actually export to this information to CSV files, PDFs, and Excel, or even print the data. So let's try, for example, CSV. Let's just put on downloads. The name should be Moz administration page. Let's just put save, and then it downloaded it. We can do PDF as well. Same thing. And then we can also preview, print review it, because the user wants to print it. Let's see. Another thing that we can do is, so after that, the user is able also to manage the survey questions. As we see in the beginning, we had these survey questions, so the user can edit or delete them or just add a new question. So let's see if there was an option. What other museums have you visited? We had like 3 options. Let's edit that one. So George Bush, Brazos Valley, and Jewish Museum. Let's just put. Let's add another answer. Just gonna put other. That should show up in our session whenever we submit changes. We can also add a new question. Just put how cool do you think we are? Or maybe I should say, do you think we are cool? That's all. It should be a choice, or number should be a choice. Then the first answer is going to be let's say yes, and then the no. I'll just put another one. Not sure. And then so we submit the changes. There you go. We also can, of course, on settings we can change the passwords. We can log out and use administrator can log out. Let's log out for a minute, and then let's go check actually on the survey questions. Here, the one that we added. So, do you think we are cool? We have these options: yes, no, and not sure. And also, this is the question that we added. And also on the museums visited, we added the option other that you can see here. Um, so this is our app. This is what we can do. And thanks for watching.